Okay, so I have here my whale and I am going to correct this object that when I subdivide this with a turbo smooth in the other file, I get this gap between these two objects and I want them to match perfect. So if I select in this edit poly the whale, I will notice that if I select the edge, I don't have the selection anymore. What if I turn on in selection, use stack selection? I will get my selection back. Look, that is this one. This is my selection. That's the stack selection. Okay, I have in the stack selection the selection of this edge. I will select the whole element without use stack selection, and I will place a mesh smooth. With mesh smooth, look, I can subdivide the object. Maybe 2 times mesh smooth. Okay, there is this mesh smooth 2 times, and if I select the edge again with use stack selection, I still have the edge here selected. I'm going to create a shape from that edge using my create shape tool. I will create it. There it is. And now I have the correct shape here. This is the right shape. If I take out the edit poly that I just used, I can go back to the original whale. The edit poly over it was just deleting these 2 parts, if I'm not mistaken. And what I am going to do is I am going to select this wrong shape, and I will change the path to the new path. Now it's the right path. If I turbo smooth this, then I can see that they match, but I need to remove the rotation of this. Look. Here it looks like they are overlapping. Maybe I will need to move a little bit the stretch, look, so it reaches exactly the border of on the other side. Look, they are matching the border. And I will leave it like that. Now I can copy this, but as geometry. I want it as geometry in the other scene. I cannot collapse, because if I collapse, the path deformed won't get collapsed. So I will make a snapshot with tools snapshot. Single mesh, okay, and I have now a copy of this but made a snapshot. That is this one. I will name it lace. And now I can move its pivot point. It's very important to move its pivot point. Right now its pivot point, it's aligned it to the center of the world. I want it aligned it to the whale, not only in position, in rotation also. Pivot point with pivot point. And now it's aligned it with the whale. Why did I align it to the whale? Because if I have it move in the other scene, I can easily select it, press Alt A to align, and align it to the whale, and it will fit the right position. So I will save this scene. No, I should never save this scene. I will save that as whale 10 lace, and now I am going to open the placing the eye scene, and here I am going to merge the lace, the new lace. Where's my lace? I will select only the lace. I will align it to the whale. I have it in position. It's right there, and I can delete the old lace. Look, there we go. I have there. I will put the material of the laces, which was this one. And maybe I need to match the specularity of the other material. It's just a white color with .9 in specularity. I will match the color and put the .9 in specularity. And there we go. I'm good to go. Now I can render and I can see that there is no gap anymore between the object and the lace. There we go. I have modified a little bit the texture. I put here an eyelash, or a, not an eyelash, and the part of the eye that covers the eye here. There it is. There's still a small gap that maybe I could improve with some push modifiers or stuff like that. I will leave it like this for this video. If you have any questions about it, don't hesitate to contact me, and I hope that you like this series of videos. I have here my final scene with the whale, and I hope you enjoyed all these videos. Okay, have fun.